The concept here was really just to make the most of where we are. We were trying to keep it modest and quiet, so we dropped it down and hunkered into the hill. The clients were always concerned about doing something sustainable. It's received a Passive House Plus certification, which means it generates as much power as it consumes via a solar array that's on the roof. The exterior materials, quite simply, a slim cedar weatherboard, and then to the upper portion of the building is a aluminium standing seam roof. There's external blinds on the building that help to control heat load from the western sun. Internally, there's a neutral palette with a focus really on the natural textures of the materials that we've chosen, which makes you really want to, touch and feel them. We concealed the kitchen bar stools behind some sliding panels so that the kitchen continues to read as a monolith. The experience within the house, to me, is very calming and still, offering real respite from the city.